Excel RTD and Quantower. Most experienced users of Microsoft Excel already know about the benefits of the real-time data function. In short, it allows you to obtain the data from another application and translate it into Microsoft Excel sheets with live updates. So let's find out how to connect Quantower and Microsoft Excel using the RTD. First of all, we should enable the RTD in Quantower. To do this, open the General Settings screen from the main toolbar, find the Excel RTD group there, and check the Enable Microsoft Excel RTD option. Let's look at other settings. By default, to create a correct formula, we set to use an English naming, RTD, and semicolon argument separator, but you may need to adjust it according to your Excel localization. Before we proceed, please note, both applications should have the same bitness to work correctly, so please check that you have a 64-bit Excel and update it if not. As a last resort, you may download a 32-bit Quantower on our official website, but this is not recommended. RTD function's name can vary depending on your localization. More about function names localization you can find on the Microsoft support website. We will also add some useful links in a video description. In order to check the correct separator symbol, just type the RTD function in your Excel and see what separator it uses. Okay, when we enabled RTD in Quantower, it's high time to prepare the required data for export. You can do it using the Quantower UI or via the manual formulas input in Excel. The last option is for advanced users, so we have prepared a cheat sheet for them with detailed instructions. The link to download it can be found in a video description. As a simpler approach, Quantower supports RTD export of trades data, account, and symbol info directly from its panel's watchlist, account info and symbol info. Let's assume we want to export data from our watchlist. We can select the required symbols and enable the necessary columns. When the dataset is appropriate, we should select symbols and right-click on them to call the context menu. There you will find an option called Copy RTD Formula, where you can select a single data type or your current table view using the All Above option. Now we have a formula in a buffer, so let's go to Excel. To start importing data from Quantower, you should just paste the formula in any cell and wait for data to be loaded. And now, we have our watchlist data right in Microsoft Excel sheet and updating online. Please note, this data will be updated till the Quantower application closes. We are sure that there is no need to describe what you can do with this data in Excel because its possibilities are endless and limited by your imagination only. As a quick example, we did several charts based on that data. Thank you for your attention and have a profitable trades.